What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about there are sometimes you want to sleep but you don't sleep, and what you do is watch Netflix, but Netflix is going to go and give you an interesting video, and that's how you can go and stay up all night like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. So you need to go and sleep, but you can't go and do that. So I'm going to go and give you a website that is named as Napflix. Yes, not Netflix, Napflix. So after you have searched it, you can go and see this is the website. It is going to go and give you all the boring videos. You can go and watch that video, and that is going to go and help you out with the sleep. So it just goes and relax your mind, it meditates your mind, and that's how you can go and sleep. So for example, just go and play that one. So this is going to go and give you the slowest and boring video, but it automatically go and calms your mind. Keep it on full screen, watch this video, and that's about it. It will depends on how bored you are, and looking at this boring videos you are going to go and sleep. Actually this is Dubai because I see a Burj Khalifa over there, and that's how I know this is Dubai. And just go and watch this one. It's boring, but it's definitely going to calm your mind and meditate your mind. And that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. I'll add this website link in my description so you can go and check that out, and I'll see you guys next time.